Hi, Brian here from Cars, here with an update on our 67 Malibu project. It's been a while. The reason we haven't got anything running here is because the busier than a one-arm paper hanger here at the shop. We got many projects on the go that we're working on. Customers are eager to get them going and get them on the road for this summer, so we're working away at that and trying to keep things moving forward. A lot of it has to do with scheduling too. We're working around the body shop schedule. We've got our 396 set in the frame here. We're going to mock it up, put our transmission mount in and put our transmission in. We got a Muncie 4-speed here to put back into it. Once we get that done, then we'll be moving on to putting the body on. We'll mock the body on with the new mounts and such. Then it'll go to the body shop and he'll be blocking it and painting it, and we'll be moving forward on that. Once that's done, we'll end up with it back here at the shop and we can start hanging some chrome work on it, interior, all those things that we've got. We've got all the parts here ready to rock. So the next time that you see the car, the body should be mounted on it and it'll be looking more like a car than it is right now. But again, we thank you for watching and like us on Facebook. Thanks, bye.